Basically, I was a little hungry because I just didn't plan well. I had a lot to do. I had to take my nephew to the airport. He was off to school for this semester. Oh my goodness, I had a dental appointment. I had some running around to do. So I had a lot going on. This is real life, but I have stuck with my 100% raw food diet, and I will admit it was very challenging. Right now I'm hoping they get the lights on and I can make a better video for you, but if they don't, I'm just gonna post this one and just say that these things happen. This is part of life, and I'm out here just thinking to myself, I've been eating nothing but bananas this afternoon, so I didn't do a juice for this afternoon either. So today is just, I guess, kind of threw my whole schedule off with the power going out. But I am going to press on, and I want to thank you all for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Easy Does It Raw Food. And again, my name is Teresa Campbell. Please subscribe to my channel, and I am so happy to be doing this, but today was a little bit more difficult than what I normally had to deal with in the last 6 days. So take care. Bye.